It's not hard to find in yourself the child that you were. You're still a baby, for Christ's sake. You're still a child. You're still an adolescent. See, it's all still there. It's in there. You've just added to it. See? You become more sophisticated. And you got the kind of baby childish stuff damped down and channeled through more sophisticated ways. So when you throw a tantrum now, it comes out in a different way. But it's still same basic, same stuff. It's not hard to find. And most people never get past adolescent. Most people never grow up at all. Say, child, some are just stuck in childhood, childish, like our president, for example. He's clearly a child. He's never gotten past childhood. And, you know, in get maybe adolescent or somewhere, say. And then they're just sort of a cleaner version of adolescence. You know, they learned that the adolescent kind of all over the mapness, you know, whatever, you know, stuff like that doesn't quite work, so they've cleaned it up, but they never really, as a person, really gotten past that. They never actually matured. I told you that when I was 11 years old. Yeah, I think so. I got interested in maturity. I went through several stages. You know, one stage was I started to become fascinated by men. I said, these are real characters. It's interesting, something going on. And you can see, that was probably a natural thing, you see, because I was a boy trying to become a man. See? And it started to fascinate me. Oh, look at this. What they got, look at this. They got something going on. They're different than women, and they got something going on. Anyway, so I started saying that. But somewhere in there, I started getting interested in being mature. It's like, what is it? And so my first, of course, was like, okay, adult is mature. Huh, that was a mistake. That was a mistaken assumption. See, but that was my first time. Okay, adult, mature, what is that? What is it to be mature? So I started contemplating it without, you know, I didn't have a name contemplation or anything like that, but dwelled on it, held that problem longer than most, and I had to break through it. Ah, got it, I got it. That, wow, that's what it is to be mature. Oh yeah, it's clear. And so I started testing that against adults and found out the adults weren't mature. Oh, okay, so being an adult doesn't endow you with maturity. Okay, it's a long way to go for adults. Yes, ma'am?
And did you then find someone mature?
Little bit, here and there, you know. The way I stated it at the time, you know, the kind of sentence I put it in an 11-year-old brain is that to be able to do something for somebody and they don't even know you did it. And you don't need any credit. To be able to do something for somebody else and they don't even know you did it. That's mature. So you know, see what I'm saying? Say that you're not doing this for you. See? You're doing it to do it. So you're doing it for them. See, it doesn't happen much. People who do that, you know.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.